Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are all about the power of wood. While wood might not be the first material that comes to your mind for tools, you'd be surprised at how versatile and useful it can be in the workshop. We are going to explore some easy to make wooden tools that can add some serious functionality and charm to your crafting space. The beauty of these wooden tools lies in their simplicity. They require minimal materials and woodworking skills, making them perfect for beginners or those who want quick and practical solutions. Here are some fantastic ideas. The paintbrush rest. Crafting can get messy, especially when dealing with paint. A wooden paintbrush rest keeps your brushes organized and prevents bristles from getting bent or frayed. Simply cut a small block of wood and drill a few shallow holes of varying sizes to accommodate different brush widths. You can even paint or stain the block for a decorative touch. The clamp caddy. Clamps are a workshop essential, but they can also be a painter's tool. A wooden clamp caddy keeps them organized and readily accessible. Find a piece of scrap wood and design a layout with compartments for different clamp sizes. Drill pilot holes and screw dowel rods to create separators. This caddy is an easy build that can significantly improve workshop organization. The dowel jig. Drilling perfectly straight holes for dowel joints can be tricky. Here's where a wooden dowel jig comes in. Take a scrap piece of wood and drill a series of holes in various sizes that correspond to your dowels. The simple jig acts as a guide, ensuring accurate and consistent dowel hole placement. The pencil sharpener. Keep your pencil sharp and ready for marking with a handy wooden pencil sharpener. This project requires a bit more shaping, but offers a satisfying DIY solution. You can find online tutorials for various designs. Some even incorporate a small drawer to catch shavings. These are just few basic ideas to get you started. With some creativity, you can expand the possibilities of wooden tools in your workshop. Ready to craft your own wooden tools? Here are some essential tips. Choose the right wood. Select a hardwood like oak or maple for durability. Gather your tools. You'll likely need basic tools like saw, drill, sandpaper, and maybe a router depending on your project. Safety first. Always wear safety glasses and gloves when working with power tools. So ditch the plastic and explore the world of wooden tools. Let us know in the comments below what wooden tool ideas you would like to see next. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, happy crafting!